If your hard drive not detected by the system, you still have a chance to recover your data. Hello everybody, you are on Andrew Hello channel. Today I'm going to fix very popular problem. For example, you connect your hard drive to the system, but it's simply not detected. Even if you enter the BIOS, your hard drive still not detected. In this situation, we may have problem with the connectors of our hard drive. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your hard drive, clean all the connectors, and after that your hard drive have chance to get second life and again be detected by the system. So let's get it started. To get started, you will need a screwdriver. I think at this stage you will not have any problems. Next, we need to unscrew all the screws. In most cases, they are not hidden. Now detach the logic card gently. Everything is simple. We need to clean the two main connectors. You need to do everything very carefully so as not to damage anything. I will use a toothbrush for this process. The point is that we need to clean the connectors, and after that there will be opportunity that the hard drive will be detected by the system again. Do not use a wet toothbrush. It must be dry. You also need to clean two connectors where the logic card will be attached. After you have cleaned everything, put the logic card back in place and screw all the screws back. After you clean all connectors of your hard drive, you can try to connect it to your laptop or computer, and I hope everything will start working. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot. Also, on my channel you can watch a lot of interesting videos, and I will be glad if you watch all of them. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.